Away from health matters, the Ministry of Agriculture and Food Security is set to scale up its rural access and agricultural marketing project. The initiative is aimed at enhancing food security and sufficiency in Nigeria. Moyo Thomas reports.
Road access to the market, especially in the rural areas where the majority of food is produced, has been a challenge in Nigeria for many decades. One of the efforts at addressing this challenge is the World Bank-funded Rural Access and Agricultural Marketing Project. The Minister of State for Agriculture and Food Security has announced the scale-up of this project to meet with fulfilling the renewed hope agenda of the current administration in poverty eradication, reducing unemployment, enhancing food security, and increasing collaboration with subnationals. He says the plan is to include sustainability elements in the project.
All states that are implementing or are willing to implement this project must have to establish Rural Access Road Authority. And you agree with me, those days our rural roads are always being kept even by local government because there is little maintenance work going on and so on and so forth. So the idea now is that you create these roads but you don't have maintenance for them. So you should have a formal institution that will be saddled with that responsibility.
The minister says out of the 19 states currently implementing this project, 16 have enacted laws to establish the State Rural Access Road Authority alongside the State Road Fund. The scale-up phase is a $600 million project, $500 million from the World Bank, and counterpart funding of $100 million from the state and federal government.
This scale-up is intended to institutionalize the idea of developing rural roads in Nigeria. Now, we believe if this is done, it will create new development domains and establish new corridors, while also developing agricultural clusters that will support our economic diversification drive.
The minister believes this scale-up of the project will provide a new growth path where raw materials for consumption and agro-industries will be promoted. Moyo Thomas, TVC News, Abuja.